Welcome guys to another premium credit card comparison video. In this one, we'll go over the details of the Amex Platinum card and the Citi Prestige card. Compare them to each other so you can pick the one for you. I put a lot of time and effort in these comparison videos, so I'd really appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up by smashing the like button. Thanks guys, let's go. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in credit cards and award travel, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step award travel guide in the description below. So I have both of these cards, the Amex Platinum card and the Citi Prestige card. And I keep both of them for very specific reasons. And of course, if you know me, I always say, why choose one when you can have both or all? But I understand that many people don't feel comfortable keeping more than one premium credit card because of the high annual fee, and some don't even like to have any premium credit cards because they think it's insane to pay $450 for a credit card. So that's why I do these comparison videos so you guys can pick the best one for you based on your situation and travel patterns and spend patterns and so on. Like I always do in these videos, I'll be comparing these two cards across 8 categories: the annual fee, the welcome bonus, lounge access, points earning, points redemptions, statement credits, additional travel perks, and insurance coverage. And by the way, if you watched my other comparison videos, like the Amex Platinum versus the Chase Sapphire Reserve, for example, you'll find me repeating the same exact things for the Amex Platinum in this video. I know this might be repetitive, but that's the only way to do it for those who only watch this specific video comparing the two cards they're interested in. Okay, annual fees. The Amex Platinum card has an annual fee of $550 and you can get up to 3 authorized users for a total of an additional $175. Now keep in mind, if you add 1 user, you still pay $175, 2 users, still $175, 3 users is $175, and after that, it's $175 for each one. The Citi Prestige annual fee is $495, and each additional user is $75. Next is the welcome bonus category. The Amex Platinum offers 60,000 membership rewards points after you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. But always make sure to check if you have a targeted offer of 100,000 points before you apply. You can easily check that on cardmatch.com. The Citi Prestige offers 50,000 bonus thank you points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. I value Amex points at 2 cents per point, so the 60,000 Amex points are equal to $1,200, and I value Citi Thank You points a little less at 1.7 cents per point, giving the 50,000 points a value of $850. So the Amex Platinum easily wins this category, and if you can get the 100,000 points offer, it makes the welcome bonus alone worth $2,000. Third category is lounge access. The Amex Platinum gives you Priority Pass Select with 2 free guests, access to Delta Sky Clubs whenever you fly Delta, even in economy, and then you can get guests for $29 each, airspace lounges with 2 free guests or immediate family, and Centurion lounges with 2 free guests. The Citi Prestige gives you only Priority Pass Select with 2 free guests, so this category is won by the Amex Platinum card by far. I always say the Amex Platinum card has the best lounge access ever out of any credit card out there. It's one of the big reasons I keep the card long term. Next category is point earning. The Amex Platinum earns 5 membership rewards points per dollar on airfare purchases booked directly with the airline or through amextravel.com, and 5x points on prepaid hotels booked directly through Amex Travel. Otherwise, you earn 1 point per dollar on everything else. The Citi Prestige though earns 5 points per dollar on dining and airfare, 3 points per dollar on cruise lines and hotel purchases, and 1 point per dollar on everything else. The Citi Prestige wins this category by far. Earning 5x on airfare and dining is incredible. Both of these categories are big spending categories. I mean, dining, 5 times points, that's crazy. I wish the Amex Platinum adds a bonus category on something that's useful day to day. I don't get to flex that card much. Give me 3x on gas or something, Amex. Come on. Anyway, next category is points redemptions. The Amex Platinum has 18 airline partners, some of which are very valuable like Aeroplan, ANA, Avianca, LifeMiles, and Etihad. Delta can also be very useful. I used only 54,000 Delta Sky Miles to fly round-trip first class from New York to the Bahamas. I didn't need to transfer Amex points since I already had SkyMiles, but I'm just giving you an example. That flight would have cost $800, which gives a value of 1.5 cents per point. A good value for SkyMiles, but not as good of a value for Amex points, but it's still not bad. Thank you points transfer to many airlines. Some of the best ones are Singapore KrisFlyer Miles, Air France KLM Flying Blue, and one that I used recently is Qantas Airlines. Fun video about that redemption coming very soon. Both Amex and Citi have travel portals, but the value from them is terrible. Citi Prestige gives you a value of 1.25 cents per point when booking airfare through the portal, but that goes down to 1 cent per point in September. Not a good value. This category I personally give to Amex because they have more unique and useful partners for my use at least. You might find Citi transfer partners more useful if you use certain airlines more than others, so always check on that. Next category is statement credits. The common credit that both cards have is the global entry credit, which is $100. Amex gives you this credit every 4 years and Citi Prestige gives it to you every 5 years. This is a great benefit to skip the lines coming back from an international trip, and you also get TSA pre-check with that, which helps at TSA checkpoints. The Amex Platinum gives you a $200 airline fee credit towards incidentals like check bag fees, upgrade fees, and lounge passes. It also gives you $200 in annual Uber credits and $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit. The $200 Uber credit is given as $15 every month and $35 in December. And if you don't use your credit in a given month, you lose it since it doesn't roll over. I personally maximize this benefit by using Uber Eats at least once a month. Otherwise, I use it whenever we're traveling to get to the airport or from the airport. The $100 Saks Fifth Avenue credit is split over twice a year, $50 from January to June and $50 from July to December. The Citi Prestige offers a simple $250 travel credit that works on any kind of travel purchase. The next category is additional travel benefits. Amex Platinum has an international airline program which provides discounts on first, business, and premium economy tickets. This airline program works with specific airlines like Delta, Air France, Emirates, Cathay Pacific, and many others. I haven't used this benefit personally because I'm not baller enough to buy business or first class tickets with cash, but I've read that people sometimes receive prices anywhere between 10 and 25% cheaper using this benefit compared to what was publicly available. Citi doesn't have a comparable benefit. The Amex Platinum card has the Fine Hotels and Resorts program, which offers stuff like free breakfast for 2 people, early check-in, late checkout, room upgrades, and stuff like that. These generally tend to be very pricey hotels, so again, I don't have personal experience with that benefit, and Citi doesn't have anything similar. The Amex Platinum gives you hotel elite status like Marriott Gold and Hilton Gold, and the Citi Prestige doesn't offer anything like that. The Amex Platinum gives you status with car rental companies like Avis, Hertz, and National, and Citi Prestige doesn't. On the other hand though, the Citi Prestige might have the most useful and lucrative travel benefit, which is the amazing 4th night free benefit, where if you book a hotel stay for 4 or more nights, you'll get reimbursed for the value of 1 night. This benefit used to be available unlimited number of times, but starting in September 2019, it will be limited to twice a year. Still not bad at all. If you use the benefit twice for hotel stays that are over $150, you'll way more than cover the annual fee when you factor in the $250 travel credit as well. So if you use this benefit a couple of times a year at hotels that cost $400, $500, $1,000 per night or as high as your budget allows, it becomes a very, very unique and lucrative benefit that makes the card a keeper for this benefit alone. Last category is coverage. It's funny because I planned to make this video a while ago, and this category was going to be won by the Citi Prestige by a mile. Unfortunately though, starting September of 2019, almost all the coverage benefits are going away from the Citi Prestige and all Citi cards for that matter. Very, very disappointing. Now both cards provide you with secondary car rental insurance, which means you can use it after you use your own car insurance. The Amex Platinum covers baggage loss or damage up to $2,000 for checked bags and $3,000 for all luggage. Amex Platinum also offers travel accident insurance and emergency evacuation and transportation. The Platinum offers roadside assistance at no cost up to 4 times per year. The Amex Platinum also covers purchases within 120 days up to $10,000 per occurrence and $50,000 per year. The Amex Platinum offers purchase protection that covers up to $300 per item and $1,000 per year. Now both cards have extended warranty, The Amex Platinum offers up to an additional year on warranties of 5 years or less, and the Citi Prestige offers additional 2 years capped at 7 years total. A new benefit that Citi Prestige added recently is cell phone protection. You're covered for stolen or damaged phone with a maximum liability of $1,000 per claim and $1,500 per 12-month period. Each claim is subject to a $50 deductible. So that's my detailed comparison of the Amex Platinum card and the Citi Prestige card. If you ask me to pick one of them, I can't. The Amex Platinum is amazing for lounge access and elite benefits and has great transfer partners. The Citi Prestige has 5x on dining and airfare, which is great, plus the 4th night free benefit is out of this world. So I'm thankful that I have both cards, and I certainly get value out of both of them that far outweighs the total annual fees of $1,045. The statement credit from both cards also helps a lot. I hope I didn't make your choice even more difficult. Let me know in the comments which one is the better card in your opinion and why. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.